Remember that Fresh Prince of Bel-Air when I think he first moved to the mansion in Bel-Air and he has to come to a dinner party and he put on that tuxedo and he's wearing it all wrong and he had these Jordans on and he rocked through. If he'd worn that suit properly, these are the Jordans he could have worn with that suit and everyone would have just went, what a nice looking boy. But it wouldn't have been as funny as it was.
Oh my God.
Yes people, welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at the Jordan 1 All-Star Weekend lows. Let's go. Okay, so before we get things started, what I want to say is thanks to everyone who's been watching my videos. Love your support, love making these videos, and if you do, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will know, well, I will know that you like the videos because you liked it. I know you want to see more because you subscribed, and you will know when I post more videos because you've hit the notification bell. That's it. It's as simple as that. If you haven't done it already, just do it now. Nothing to lose. But thank you anyway. Okay, so let's put 2020, 2021 has been a madness. Like with the COVID-19, the lockdown, etc., it's been a madness. Sport has been stopped, restarted, no crowds, and that's how it's been. So when it comes to the NBA, they said we got to get this on. They got it on. They said we still got to have an All-Star Weekend. And Nike said, you've got to have an All-Star Weekend, and we're going to celebrate that All-Star Weekend, and we're going to put out kicks, which is just going to go mad. Because this kick here is just a demonstration of how Jordan 1s have gone mad in 2020 and 2021. You cannot just pick up a pair of Jordan 1s what you like. As soon as they come out, they're gone. It don't matter what colour they are gone. You know what I mean? It baffles belief. Some of them are ugly. I'm telling you, some of them are ugly, but some reason they're Jordan 1s. So it's just gone nuts. But Nike jumped in that. They see that it was going. They said, you know what? Let's do something for the All-Star Weekend. So they released Jordan 1 Low Se ASW All-Star Weekend. Yes, ASW. Let's just get into this. So traditional Jordan 1 mid black blocks. I'm gonna say mid because the highs don't usually come in this box. Gold jump man on the top there. On the side you've got the gold jump man there. On this side you've got number 23 and all your details there. And let's just open up the box. You've got the traditional paper with 23 written on it. And inside you have the sleekest pair of Jordan 1s I've seen for a long time. They're lows. I've never bought a low before, but when I saw these, I said, yes, this is me. Now, from the off, okay, I usually start with the sole and we go around and review the kicks that way. But from the off, you can see straight away, tongue's different. They put Jordan man in a circle on the top. It looks like the Mercedes sign, but it looks clean. I like it. I know you're going to dish that and say, no, it's got to be Nike. Don't like mids, whatever. Jumpman, don't like it. But this suits this suits this crepe right here, because everything about this crepe is just stealth and clean. Okay, so let's do what we normally do. Yeah, let's take it from the bottom. We've got traditional Jordan 1 sole, round circle, the, what do you call it? I call it the target board at the ball of the foot. Move down, you've got a Nike sign with a tick underneath in the middle, and then it just travels down to the heel. The mids, all white with white stitching, carries all the way around the shoe. Above that you have a matte black leather material, which is really quite nice. It's actually quite nice leather they've used this time, not like the Jordans were released. They've released some Jordans with the leather is just terrible, man. It's like having an Air Force One with a crease in it before you even start, because you know as soon as you bend your foot, that crease is staying there. It's like paper. Terrible. And I think Nike out of order, I'll say this, for releasing trainers with that type of material in it. You're not doing your customers right. Anyway, above that, on top of that, you've got a black patent leather, which is reinforced there, just around the little toe, covers around to the shoe box underneath, and again reinforced there. That patent leather carries on up the instep of the shoe wheel, the laces are. The tongue itself, the tongue hoop, has number 23 written on it, so I couldn't see it there, but it's in black stitching. So again, it's just nice and slick. Get to the top of the tongue, I've already shown you already. White stitching with Jumpman on top, wicked. The lining is a nice black material, cushion material. Inside you have again the Jumpman in a circle there. If you turn around to the heel, you now have the Basketball Air Jordan wings. It looks like Dior's. You know, like they've done it with the Dior's. That's what it looks. That's what it reminds me of. I know it's not the same wings. They usually have them on the side, but because it's so big, it just looks wicked. Just tops of shoe. And the tick, or the swoosh, if you call it swoosh, is it's a mixture between patent leather and the black matte material top. So it gives it a kind of, what is that? Carbon look. That's it. It's got like a graphite carbon kind of look to it. It's got white stitching running along the swoosh or tick, whatever you want to call it, and that's it. That is it. This is just a slick trainer. And man, you could bust this with anything. What Nike have done here to celebrate All-Star Weekend, even before there's even a date set, I think the date's the 7th of March now, not too sure. What they said is, we're gonna make an impression, but it's gonna be affordable to people. Not like Dior's, where you know you're £8 down at retail, and whatever it is. No, it wasn't £8, was it? It was £1,800, wasn't it, retail? And then you're £8 down to buy them now, and people wearing them, and they're coming in, but they were wearing them with nice casual street designer clothes. What you'll see is if Nike gives this to all their players who haven't got their own shoes and whatever, is them coming in their suits or whatever it is, busting these. I'm telling you now, because this is a slick kick. Trust me. Let me know what you think anyway. Make comments. Put your comments in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Like I said to you, Nike Air Jordan 1 Low Se ASWs in the flesh. So there we have it, man. The Jordan 1 Low SE All-Star Weekend kicks. Yeah, man. Feeling these. Like, subscribe, hit notification bell. I'm out. Later.